Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your AirPods Pro to a Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we will need to swipe up and then go to the settings. Here, go to the tab named Connections and then Bluetooth. Here, we will need to scroll down and also make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. Now, we will need to take our headphones and here find this button on the back of the case. Hold it for about 5 seconds until you'll hear a chime. Now we can stop holding the button and wait until the AirPods will be shown and the list named available devices. And here is it. We would need to simply click on it and then click this confirmation icon. And after this, my headphones are showed as connected and you can start enjoying your music with your AirPods right on your wrist. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.